Hey everybody, it's Joe from Joe Pro Decor again. Today I'm on a job and I'm stripping some wallpaper. I'll just show you the job I've got in hand. So you can see it's an embossed paper on the ceiling. I've just got a standard vinyl on the walls, and this shouldn't be too much trouble. The only thing that concerned me was the blown vinyl. Now, you never know what you're going to come across really with the blown vinyl and what it's going to take. So if you've seen one of my previous videos that goes through the stages of wallpaper stripping, I've actually made a start on it, and I just wanted to show you what can happen sometimes. It's always a good thing. So like I said on the previous video regarding the stripping, I'll always try first to strip dry. That's always the first course of action. And if that works, then great, you're laughing. So I just wanted to show you a quick demonstration while I was doing this of how easy this is. So the first thing I did was just get the scraper behind it, and as you can see, it is coming off in one piece. The paper over the years has just gone rock solid and very brittle, and the paper and the backing is coming off in sheets, which is what we want. So if you look closely, you can just see parts of the backing on the ceiling. Now it's going to be really simple to get this off. So I'm just going to quickly get all the embossed off, and then I'm just going to soak with my spray gun, the garden sprayer, and that will come off nice and easy with one little soak, or maybe a couple of soaks maximum, and that'll all just fly off. So that's it for that. And while we're on the subject with the wallpaper, I've had a little go of the wallpaper. And with this one dry, it's coming off in little tiny pieces. But with this particular paper, that's not going to be a problem, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the next stage. I'm just going to soak the top. That will come off easily. And to be honest, I'm pretty sure on a lot of it, it will take both the top paper and the backing off in one go. But I will show you the results of that in a second. Right, so as I said, I have soaked with the garden sprayer just a couple of times, just a quick whiz over. You don't want to be spraying too much on, obviously, because the majority of it will just come falling down on the top of your head. So just enough to absorb it, and then to go over it again is the easiest way I find. So I'll show you how easy this is, just to get the backing off. Just to advise you, try and get a nice wide sharp scraper. There is different types. This one is an Decor Pro Strip, I think it's called, and it's nice and sharp. The wider the better on this, because obviously the more you will get off. Like so. It's that easy. So don't struggle soaking the paper from the beginning. There's absolutely no point, because it comes off dry, and if you soak that type of paper, it's not going to absorb to the back. It's just a complete waste of your time. So always, everybody, please just try and dry and strip it off dry first of all, and then go through the processes that are shown on the other videos. So I'll just, before I go, I'll just show you the wallpaper that I've soaked a couple of times. So the top layer did come off wet, and the next layer is going to come off wet very, very easily. So all the donkey work's taken out of the job. You just let the water do the soaking. It does it for you, and then it comes off really easy. So until the next time, please click the like button if you like the video, and subscribe if you've not already done so, please. And I'll look forward to speaking to you soon. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.